What is up, music producers? It's Dowd and welcome back to another video tutorial. So for this one, I'm going to show you how to make a simple R&B beat but with a twist. We're going to be using AI to make the chord progression for us. So we're going to incorporate that chord progression into FL Studio and let's see how it sounds. So if you like more contents like this, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out our loop packs and more in the description down below. So without further ado, let's start this video. Alright, so let's load up ChatGPT and we're going to make a prompt, a simple prompt like this: RNB chord progression show So yeah, we have a major chord progression. Let's try another one. This sounds kind of happy based on the keys that the ChatGPT showed me. So let's be more specific. R&B chord progression in let's see, A sharp minor key. Alright, so let's try this one in FL Studio. So load up FL Studio. So what I want to make first is reduce the BPM to 100, maybe 105. I like slower BPM when making R&B beats. So let's load up FL keys. Turn down the hardness. I usually just play these knobs to make it sound less brighter. So let's copy the chord progression. So first we have let's reset it. Let's check for another one. Okay. Alright, so let's follow this one. So B flat, D sharp, F sharp, A sharp. And so we have F. So we have F, G sharp, B sharp, D sharp. And the last chord will be A sharp, C sharp, A sharp, G sharp. So the A sharp, there's literally no E sharp in the key. So in other words, that's F, a flat F. Just to be clear. So I'll just copy and paste the bass notes, turn it down an octave. It sounds kinda shit, to be honest, but yeah, don't be afraid to edit some notes to make it sound more bearable. Sounds kind of far. But for now, this will do. So I'm going to make it strum the chord. So you just tap in your keyboard, Alt plus S, and FLCD will load up the stromizer. So I just usually play around with this time knob. Alright, so I'm going to cut off the extra notes here, extra length notes, and then play with the velocity to make it sound more human. Yeah, so if you're not satisfied with the chord progression that the ChatGPT made you, you can just always play around with the other key. So I just pitch down the master pitch, and let's see how it sounds. I think that sounds a lot better. So let's change the instrument. Let's load up flex, and let's choose the trusty electric piano. Yeah, so for my goal in each instrument when I'm making R&B beat is make it more sound less bright. So what I did there is turn the pacer all the way down and the cut off, let's see, into 60%. Let's cut the chord progression and paste it into the electric piano. So it sounds way a lot better. So let's put it in the mixer. Oops. Alright, so the electric piano is in the mixer. Turn down the volume a bit. Let's see, under -4 dB. Load up EQ2. So right now I'm making a subtractive EQ into the low mids. Load up reverb 2. Turn the wet maybe 90% and the decay down to 1 second. The size to 73, 75. I like to play in that range. The high cut into 16.5 hertz and the low cut in 606 hertz. Yeah, so another pro tip is use patcher. Just connect that shit and then choose humanizer. Turn down the volume speed, volume variation knobs, and I only just use this pitch variation knob. It makes the sound kind of wobbly in a sense. Alright. So let's choose an 808 from Flex again. Put the 808 in a mixer. Turn the volume down. Load up Fruity Parametric EQ2. Add a high cut. Alright, so let's make our drums. We have our kit. close hi-hat. We just turn the volume, maybe pan it to the left. So basically this hi-hat, I just shorten it, the tail and everything. And let's add some clap. Yeah, so I added in an open hi-hat. It's a pretty short open hi-hat. So after that, I think I'm going to add some percussion. Turn the volume knob a little bit. So we have, I think we need something thingy, like a triangle to the second snare. Yeah, that's right. Shorten the tail and just layer it to the second snare. I mean clap. It should be clap. So that sounds good. Maybe I'm going to layer it with another pad. Load up more pin. So my go-to pad for this VST, let's see, go to keyboard and then choose deviating keys. I just play around with this. Let's see how it sounds. So that sounds a lot better. So let's put the pad in a mixer track. Add a low cut. So we need some space for the 808. This is the 808 usually occurs in this sub bass frequency. After that, let's add a sidechain. Connect it to the sidechain channel. So basically what sidechain do is when the kick hits, all of the sound in the same time with the kick ducks. So there's more, so it may sound, so the kick may sound a little punchier. It can punch through the mix. Alright, this is our sidechain automation. Yeah, so you just put the sidechain automation to every kick. Alright, so that's about it. Yeah, so what I think about AI in music production, in the music industry, uh, it totally cannot replace humans, but you know, it can be a helpful tool for you. Uh, it can be really, really fasten your workflow. Maybe you're a beginner or an intermediate level. It can give you ideas. Yeah, so it is a tool for you to use that can be useful or not. So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something, and see you around in the next video.